Hello and welcome to the vaccination revision video from scienceworksheets.co.uk. Please like, subscribe and comment to support the channel. This video is for the revision of GCSE Biology or Combined Science only. It is not medical advice. If you are unsure about your health, please consult a qualified medical professional. Vaccination is used to prevent some communicable diseases in individuals, reducing the spread of pathogens by vaccinating a large proportion of the population. How vaccines work. Vaccination involves introducing small quantities of dead or inactive forms of a pathogen into the body to stimulate the white blood cells to produce antibodies. If the same pathogen re-enters the body, the white blood cells will respond quickly to produce the correct antibodies, preventing infection. How vaccines work in detail. A vaccine contains dead or weakened pathogens or the antigens from a pathogen. These antigens from the vaccine cannot cause disease, but they do have the same antigens as the real pathogen. When the vaccine is injected, the immune system detects the antigens and white blood cells produce antibodies against them. Some of these white blood cells become memory cells, which stay in the body for a long time. If the real pathogen enters the body later, the memory cells recognize its antigens and the immune system produces large amounts of antibodies very quickly. The pathogen is destroyed before it can multiply enough to cause illness. The graph shows how antibodies are produced by white blood cells against time. The injected vaccine causes a small number of antibodies to be produced. However, later when the person is infected by the pathogen, the antibodies are produced faster and in much greater concentration. As a result, the pathogen will be killed. Using vaccines to prevent the spread of a pathogen, immunizing many people reduces the spread of disease. Vaccinated people are much less likely to become infected. Their immune system destroys the pathogen quickly. Because fewer people get infected, there are fewer people who can pass the pathogen on to others. This means the overall transmission rate falls, so the disease spreads much more slowly or may even stop spreading completely. If enough people are vaccinated so there is a high vaccination rate, even people who are not vaccinated are protected, because the pathogen struggles to find new hosts. This is called herd immunity. Evaluating the global use of vaccination in the prevention of disease. The benefits of vaccination globally. It reduces deaths and illness worldwide. It protects vulnerable populations such as babies, elderly and immunocompromised. It can eliminate disease such as smallpox. Prevents epidemics and pandemics by reducing the spread of disease. And it's cheaper for countries in the long term. Prevention costs are always much cheaper than treatment costs. Limitations are the challenges for global vaccination. Cost. Poorer countries may not be able to afford vaccines. Distribution issues. We need fridges, transport, trained staff. Conflict zones or remote areas make vaccination difficult. Vaccine hesitancy due to mistrust, side effects, misinformation or cultural beliefs. Mutation of pathogens. Vaccines may need to be updated, such as the annual flu vaccine. And inequality. Richer countries may receive the vaccines first. Thank you for watching. See our revision notes, the link is in the description.